Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shake. I do vlog, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it's gonna be a week in my life. So this is another week in my life vlog. Don't know what's gonna happen this week, but hopefully it will be something interesting. So it is Monday and I'm about to leave out for work. So yeah, I'm just wearing this, what do you call this? What color this? Me not even know. I don't know what color they call this, but yeah. Did my hair like this today. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna head out after 7, so I'm gonna head out. So see you guys on the way. Hey guys, so I just reached home, and yeah, this has become my filming spot. Like when I come home. Anyways, so I got a package from SHEIN. This is the last package I think that should be coming. So we're gonna do a little unboxing, a little mini unboxing or unbagging, whichever one you want to call it. Anyway, so this is supposed to be my graduation clothes, which I'm not gonna wear at my graduation. So I want to help out in the kitchen, so it's not gonna wear on my graduation. But it involves my graduation clothes, which I'm gonna show you first because I'm excited to see that. So I decided I want to wear pants, so I bought this pants to wear. Lord, it really looked like tights and it looked a liquor. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Pants, it kind of look tightish. The material is more tightish, but after I wear this for graduation, it's going to become one of my work clothes. So yeah, I wanted something that I can wear otherwise, because that makes sense. Yes. Oh, I got to save my buy to something enough to buy, because you know. Anyways, and this is supposed to be the blouse. Oh, the pants was bought in 2X, I think. Let me just recheck. We don't even see it, but oh, it was bought in 2X, and it's SHEIN curve. So yes, and then I bought this red blouse. This is it. Kind of look big, geez. It's supposed to be one of them blouses way across. I'll insert it right here. I don't know how this all fits, but let me try it on. I never want to try on because you know the second can work. So, but you know when it look like it that big. I don't know if wear this. Oh, I think I get it. I get it. Let's stand up. Idea with the pants. So yeah, with my red shoes, and they would have a white thing under here. So yeah, it works out. Cute little blouse, as you guys can see on the picture. I'll try and insert the picture right there. Anyways, so for the under blouse thing, I needed some new ones. I did buy some of them. I think I showed it once that I bought some and they were too big, so I gave them to my sister and I bought back some. So last time I bought it in 2X, I bought it in 1X this time. Yeah, so it looked like it would fit, or it's supposed to fit me. And I bought it one black, one white. So that's how it came, black and a white, as you guys can see. Then summer is coming up and I needed to buy my shorts, because I did buy a shirt and it was too big and I gave it away. So I wanted a new shorts, so I bought this shorts. It kind of looks small, but let's hope it's not. And guess what? I never expect all of these. I never expect it to come up so high. So, see that? It comes up very high. But anyways, I'll let you guys know how it fits. I don't think I'm gonna do a try on haul right now. Like, I usually love doing try on hauls, but I'm not in the mood for it right now. So, but yeah, that's the shorts for the summer. And then I bought one of these for myself, one for my sister. It's two of them, but I'm just gonna open mine. So just bear in mind I bought two. So that's a part of the unboxing, but I bought two. So yes, it was just a little cheap blouse. I'll show you how much it was for. Peace, love, dogs, because I love dogs. My sister, I don't even know if my sister knows that I parted up on this, so she gonna kill me. But this is it. It's a 3X shirt. I love oversized t-shirts, so yeah, just a t-shirt for the summer. The thing is, I wanted to buy the shorts and these, and I wanted something else to put in it, and I'm like, I need t-shirts, so might as well buy a t-shirt, and it is actually good quality for the price. So t-shirt, yeah. So that is all I bought. That's all. And then buy nothing else, and nothing else now come. So that's it for the hauls for now. I don't think I'm gonna make a next order until like probably like in a July or June. I don't know. My mom wanted me to order something for her, so I'm gonna order it. But for myself, I don't think I'm gonna order nothing until like July. I don't really see myself needing anything right now, because these were needed stuff, things I needed for graduation. So yeah, that's that. All right, so I should be washing. I don't know outside because outside already look rainy. Plus, I was supposed to buy soap powder and I did not. So I'm gonna check if I have soap powder, because even if outside look rainy, I can still wash once I have the soap powder. So make a look and see. So I'm gonna pack up these, the aftermath of me unboxing. Come on, my sister gonna kill me. So anyways, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll let you guys, I'll see what's happening later, you know. Plus me need to call somewhere, so I'm gonna try and call them now first before me even do anything else. So I need to call this place like right now, so hopefully them answer me. Thank you. Yeah, I will. Okay, later. Alright, so that's checked off my list. I've called and I'll clean up my sister's room. So, you know what? Let me put back the things in the same spot. The last time she talked about, say, I know you came into my room because the things are moved around. Let me see if she can notice I come in her room this time. I'm going to try to keep everything the same. She not know. Well, she gonna know because I'm gonna left this in her room. I'm gonna fall and I touch my things. Anyways, so yeah, I'll get some things done and then let's see. So I found some, so I'm gonna wash. Guys, the sunset is beautiful. I had to come out and see it. Is that is cute. Does it make me look actually like red or purple? I don't even know what this is, but it's cute. So cute. I love these things. It's just so nice. It would be nice to just sit or lie and just watch this. Like this is something. Hi guys, so right now I'm at a meeting for summer camp. I'll be working at summer camp, so we're at a meeting right now. So yeah, I'm gonna take notes for Shani because she's unavailable because she has to be running the prayer meeting right now. So yeah, I'm tired though. I'm sorry. Oh no, no, tired. I don't know, but I've been feeling so exhausted. Like, I can't wait for the next 3 weeks when school just on. I'm gonna have to worry about school, but then again, I'm gonna have to worry about camp. And then VBS. But at least, you know, school just extra stressing, aren't it? Anyways, I'm gonna listen to people that meet you. I'm not good with meetings. That's one. I'm really not good with meetings. So yes, we're gonna listen to that meeting. Bye. Hi guys, so I just finished filming a video. Yeah, I'm trying to do, as I said, I'm trying to do like more content for you guys. So this video should actually, oh, I'm sweating. One thing, you know, so the heat from this light, it is a lot. Anyways, so one thing I told you guys that I'm gonna be doing more videos for you guys, so that's what I'm trying to do. So I fix up myself, put up ring lights. There's so much effort me I put up. Sorry, put up ring lights and all these things for make the video. So yeah, so yes, I want to actually sit down and see if I can edit it right now, as I want to put it out by what, Thursday? Yeah, about Thursday. And I'm hoping that in the summer I can put out like 2 videos per week, something like that. But yeah, so yes, I'll try to see if I can edit that video right now. I did we're having math day tomorrow, so you guys will see synopsis, little clippets of that. Yeah, because I'm going to see if we can, you know, like video like something. Yeah, maybe even 2 of my picnic them can catch nights, because for last year they want catch nights. So let's see what I can do tomorrow. So we're having, I don't know why I'm going to make short people. It's like I'm in between feeling like I'm getting sick, but I don't know, because my body not really, it's not really feel, but then I always feeling I'm short. Never mind, probably I get sick, so I need to take some vitamins tomorrow. So I was at school very late. We reached home like a little bit after 6. So I was helping to set up and all of that, so we just reached home. So tomorrow we have that, and then Thursday we have graduation, and Friday we have yeah, we have school, but after the school we have a 5K walk run something. So this week should be packed with excitement. So yes, I started a vlog last week, guys, and it never worked out, so hopefully this week's vlog work out to something. So yes, I'm gonna pack up these, get this. I found a way to actually send the videos from my camera to my phone without using the app. So I bought this what do you call it, SD card, something we can insert in on my phone, and all along I thought it could not work. I thought you needed like an app, because normally we put it in and you think something would have pop up. I never see nothing pop up, so I never know. And I saw what's her name, Shelby, my Jamaican girl. Oh, I love watching her. I saw Shelby using it, Like she was talking about it. I'm gonna say wait. So I texted and I commented under her video and I asked if there's a app. She said no, you just plug it in. So I plug it in, you know, in my tablet because I was trying my tablet. I'm gonna see nothing come up. So I went, plug it in my phone, I'm gonna see nothing come up. I went on YouTube and I researched. Apparently, when you plug it in with the memory card and whatever, you go into photos and you will see a little thing. Because normally, I don't remember how I did it, but you normally have like 4 things there. A next thing appears that says import. You click on import and all the things in the camera are there. Tell me why me never know this. I mean, I never know this anyways. So I can do that now. So it's easier for me to like edit videos because I don't have a thing on my computer anymore that can edit videos. Fillmore not working on my computer because I ain't paying for it. I ain't got money to be paying for that. Anyways, so I will continue to edit on my phone because I can. So I will. It works for me. I would prefer to pay for the app that I use on this because it has what I want and it's easier to use. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna get these what do you call these footages sent over so I can start editing. Bye. I don't do that. I chat too much. I show all at me. But look at girl edges. Look at looking nice. Anyways, bye. By the way, guys, I want to show you guys that I got my first new Jamaican money. So this is the $100 bill. I have been seeing this around, and today one of my coworker had it. She was gonna spend it, and I just exchanged my $100 for hers because I wanted one, and she gets them often because of where she lives. So yeah, I just buy one. Yeah. Anyways, but I know people, you know, upset that yeah, money change but still have no value or what. But I love change. I love the new things. It's pretty, that's all I know. So I'm kind of excited to see them, to get them. The excitement's so gone, but oh well, who cares? But yeah, it's cute. Good morning, my lovelies. It is Wednesday and today's math day. So I'm kind of nervous, like really nervous. Not like in charge or nothing. I'm not really me in charge, but like the department in charge. So I'm kind of nervous. But anyways, I'm always nervous because of my anxiety. But anyways, so yes, just heading out, guys. So yesterday I was watching one of my she's one of my subscribers and I'm one of her subscribers. So she was doing a rating my subscribers thing, guys. She's a great YouTuber. But always one thing I tell people, say yes, you will watch my video, and once you watch my video, I'm go watch yours and support. Basically, her video, her channel is so interesting. It's like, if she not support me, I'm gonna support her because she's just interested to watch. So yeah, her video was nice. I will actually link her down below because girl, I big me up so mighty. Just to make people feel me telling. But anyways, I appreciate it, girl. So Rihanna, it's Ree. So I'll link it down below for you guys to go and follow her. So yeah, heading out. I think I've caught her on the channel before too, you know. So yeah. Anyways, I'll try to get a taxi. I reach school. I'm gonna have something to do. I have some things to make later. workouts I do this one myself, but it must start it.
Clap your hands if you're happy and you know it. Stomp your feet if you're happy and you know it. Stomp your feet.
Good morning. It is Friday. I didn't vlog a lot yesterday. We had graduation. I didn't really know much people at the people in graduation, so I don't want to catch them funny. But anyways, it is Friday. The sinus have me away. Plus, I think other things going on with my system. Things supposed to start and all of these things. It just me feel so weak. I don't feel like me. Me feel dizzy. But I don't even know where I go to school. But I guess probably because I took yesterday, I didn't want to take today. Oh, plus we have a 5K walk run thing, and I'm supposed to be a part of it. Our department decided we want to just, chill and walk, just for the support and something. But I'm gonna try. I have my clothes, so my bag like well heavy. But I'm gonna try. If it don't work out, then I just say, you know what? Let me just stop and then me just go outside. But I'm prepared to do it. Don't know if it's all the way, but if I even just 1 centimeter, then yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna head to work, and I'll probably see you guys when it's 5K time,
Come up. First, I want to thank all of you for making this event possible today.
I'm Miss Betty's favorite student.
I don't want to tell you favorite. You say I went there and kill me. It's YouTube. Come, say hi to YouTube. See there.
Hi to YouTube.
Hello.
No. Hello. I am Miss Betty's best student.
Yes, I'm really cute.
I don't have the best
I'm
student.
Miss Betty's favorite student.
Miss, no favorite thing. See you there.
That's your come on time.
Bye. See you next year. What? What more do you want? Me creating, but just reach home. Literally just walking, and yeah, just dropping out the chair. My head is killing me. Oh god, man! Like it just like so. Like when I feel heartbeat. Yeah, my heart are beating in my head right now. Anyways, yeah. Rest a little, see if my head can't stop hurt me. Mommy said she'll give me some garlic, so yes. See how that goes. Alright, sooner or later then. Alright guys, so this is gonna be me ending this video. I did not get to end my vlog because, as you guys can hear, when I thought that this was just like sinus or something, so the headache remedy that I did just sinus, I never sinus. Guys, I was full blown having the flu. I literally was having a fever. So the headache I'm gonna feel, I like had the fever run up my head, and I did not know. So big a walk with fever and all. I never know. But anyways, I got, like when my sister come home, she feel me. I said, no, okay, yeah, roasted fever. So I eat and then I take something, and I felt better after me sleep it off. So yeah. So it's actually Sunday, so I'm just I'm about to edit the vlog, so I decided to come and end the vlog for you guys. So hopefully the next video you guys will get, it's the summer bucket list. I'm gonna work on that one, so after this video then that's what's gonna come, and then probably like the summer vlogs, summer-ish kind of vlogs will start next. So yes, thanks again guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.